Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic Force Learning. Today, we're going to talk about reasons to advertise on TikTok. So, before we get started, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. TikTok is continuing to grow at an incredible speed, having recently reported 1 billion monthly users active on the platform. That's a 45% increase from the previous year. Unsurprisingly, the platform is attracting a lot of attention from digital marketers hoping to tap into its unique design and colossal user base. But are TikTok ads worth it? And can they benefit your business? Let's dive into the world of TikTok advertising and find out. First, let me show you some stats. Over 3 billion people have downloaded TikTok to date. TikTok is the 6th most popular social media in the world. The globe has 4.8 billion internet users, and TikTok is used by 20.83% of them. And advertisers may reach 885 million users aged 18 and above on TikTok as of January 2022. As you can see on these statistics, TikTok keeps on increasing, and that is why it's a great idea to start advertising on the platform. Not convinced yet? Well, here are top niches that can really help you decide if your brand or business is a good fit. On TikTok, you can do dancing. Creating choreographies to famous songs is what TikTok is most popular about. Accounts dedicated to dancing are usually the ones leading the popularity rankings among TikTok. Second, comedy. Making people laugh always works, and there are tons of TikTok accounts dedicated to comedy that prove it. Third, lip syncing. Basically, this consists of singing along a great sound, but not really doing it. However, you must be creative and add some special touch to your video in order to make it entertaining. 4. Cooking or baking. There's no single platform where the cooking and baking niche fails. This does not mean that people love cooking, but they love watching tasty recipes step by step. Next, you can also do arts and crafts. The DIY segment, or do-it-yourself, is also a fascinating TikTok niche. Anything from cooking to drawing and everything in between fits in this category. On top 6, we have fashion. There's a big TikTok niche interested in seeing daily outfits and getting fashion advice. Also, if you run out of ideas, there are trends to follow, such as creating a total look to show what you would wear if you were part of a certain movie. And lastly, fitness. This TikTok niche wants to receive tips. Just show your routine to get your audience's attention. Now, TikTok is delivering impressive results for many e-commerce advertisers. But what makes TikTok advertising so effective? Here are 5 reasons to advertise on TikTok. Number 1. The scale is huge and growing. Well, you saw the stats a while ago, and that's a pretty mind-blowing number. And what's even more mind-blowing is that TikTok only seems to be gaining momentum. Advertisers can access an enormous audience of potential customers through TikTok ads and rapidly build brand awareness. With the right creative assets and marketing strategy, brands can drive a huge volume of conversions and skyrocket their revenue. Plus, TikTok is continuing to expand its advertising options, offering advertisers more innovative formats and opportunities to drive conversions. Number 2. There are smart targeting options. A major part of any successful paid social campaign is accurate targeting. Luckily, advertisers can access some intelligent targeting options when running TikTok campaigns. Standard audience targeting tactics are available, including demographic, interests, and device. However, brands can also create more granular segments through custom audiences, which include customer file, engagement, app activity, website traffic, and lastly, lead generation. A custom audience can be extremely powerful for advertisers. These segments enable you to reach hot prospects who are more likely to click and convert, increasing the efficiency of your ads. Third, creativity is strongly encouraged. Creative advertising is encouraged and even expected on the TikTok platform. TikTok is packed with users and creators generating innovative and exciting organic content. Advertisers need to match this creative flair to stand out. The most successful brands on TikTok are often those who embrace these opportunities. By getting involved with the platform trends, collaborating with users and brands, and utilizing an effective call to action, advertisers can maximize campaign performance. Number 4. TikTok offers versatile formats. A major benefit of TikTok advertising is the range of different ad formats available to marketers. Standard in-feed placements can deliver impressive results for advertisers, as well as impactful formats such as Top View. Users are ready and willing to engage with brands, and the design of the platform lends itself to bold and visual executions. A video ad is full screen and highly visible in feed, so the right asset can instantly capture attention. However, if you're looking for something more innovative, bespoke formats can drive incredibly high levels of engagement. Activations like branded lenses and hashtag challenges can quickly go viral if they resonate with target audience. These formats also cater to a range of marketing budgets. So, whether you're a smaller advertiser or an established business ready to spend big, there are plenty of options available. Lastly, number 5. The audience is diversifying. TikTok has a reputation for primarily reaching younger audiences, and there's certainly some truth to this. The platform has a significant number of Gen Z users. 25% of US TikTok users are aged between 10 to 19, and 22% are aged between 20 to 29. However, as TikTok expands its offering, it will inevitably start to attract a wider range of users and appeal to older audiences. 21.7% of US users are now aged between 30 to 39, and 31.3% are aged above 40. This may seem surprising, but the TikTok audience has continued to diversify over time. Although the app is still a brilliant environment for reaching younger shoppers, that doesn't mean you can't connect with older prospects who also use TikTok. It's all about getting your targeting right and recognizing new opportunities on the app. And there you have it, reasons to advertise on TikTok. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss the opportunity and start advertising on TikTok now. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get online courses platform with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.